Seagull showing me how mad he is so he didn't get tuna this morning. Aren't you, Seagull? He's gonna stab the bag. He's gonna stab the bag and shake it. I should be enabling him like this. You trying to get in? It's a pretty thick bag, isn't it? You're still not in. Do you want me to open it? Do you want me to open it, Seagull? Do you want me to open it? I can open it. Do you want me to open it, buddy? He got Cheerios this morning instead of tuna. And, ow. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna replace my iPad, and I'm looking at some videos, YouTube videos of, like, the difference between a couple of them. Seagull, why don't I just unzip that for you? These tortillas I got at the food bank, and they were frozen, but they were expired, past their expiration date, but had been frozen. I wasn't sure if I was going to eat them, and now Seagull's just completely destroyed the whole entire package, because he grabbed it. Hi, Seagull, don't fly away, I'll open the bag, okay? Just stay here, buddy. Stay here. I'll open the bag for you. Because apparently these are all your... I don't think you should eat them all, though. This is way too much. The bag's open, buddy. Bag's open. Do you want to come back? He's got feathers flying off. He's been pulling some of his, like, down feathers out, like the under feathers. I don't know if that's normal for this time of year. He's got one. Yeah, that's way more than enough, but you should not eat that much. Holy cow, you just ate that. You just ate that whole one. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, you're gonna choke. Why can't you just rip that up? Okay, you've had enough. That's it. I'm cutting you off. You've had enough. Your whole neck's full. I can literally see your whole neck full. You've had enough now. Jesus, that's not good for him. Seagull, you can't even eat that, can you? Your neck is completely full. Don't eat that. Just set it down and let it go. You're done. You don't need any more food right now. Hey, especially no more bread. There's all that white stuff down there. Someone's fucking poured milk out or some shit. I should not be letting him have this much bread. I keep on letting him have way too much goddamn bread.